Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple process that many of you have been asking about: how to deactivate your Instagram account. Sometimes, we all need a break from the world of social media, and Instagram provides an easy way to temporarily step away. So, if you're ready to take some time off from Instagram, stick around because we've got you covered. First, log into your Instagram account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with various options. To access the account settings, click on the More section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. When you click on it, a menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Personal Details option. Click on it to access the Personal Details section. Within the Personal Details section, you'll find the Account Ownership and Control option. Click on it to proceed. Next, locate the Deactivation and Deletion option and click on it. This is where you can choose to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Since you want to deactivate your account temporarily, select the Temporary option. This will ensure that your account remains deactivated for a specific period of time, after which you can reactivate it. After selecting the Temporary Deactivation option, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Instagram will prompt you to enter your account password as a security measure. Enter your Instagram account password in the provided field. Make sure to provide the correct password associated with your account. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide a reason for deactivating your account. This step is optional, but providing a reason can help Instagram improve its services. Once you've entered your password and reason, click on Continue to move forward. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to specify the duration for which you want to deactivate your account. Select the desired duration from the options provided. For example, if you want to deactivate your account for 1 day, choose the corresponding option. Finally, click on Deactivate Account to proceed. Instagram will confirm your deactivation request, and your account will be temporarily deactivated for the specified duration. Congratulations! Your Instagram account has been successfully deactivated. During this period, your profile, posts, and other account information will be hidden from other users. Remember, if you decide to reactivate your account before the specified duration ends, simply log back in using your username and password. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to deactivate your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.